You're going to need to filter data in this lab, so I want to do a kind of quick video on filtering. First, so you understand Excel's filters, here's a very small sample data set. And let's go ahead and turn on Excel's filters. You'll notice the mean of this entire data set in column B is 4.375. If I filter down to green records, I only see the 2 green records. And the mean of those 2 numbers is obviously 2.5, not 4.375. This enforces an important lesson about Excel's filters. When you're filtering in an Excel sheet, it filters out the visible records, but it doesn't take them away. They're still being used and still being done in these calculations. So keep that in mind as you're filtering data, that the filtering process doesn't actually make them go away. I'll show you how to make them go away with this next example. And you see this data, I've already downloaded the compressed file from IPAMS, I've already uncompressed it, I've already turned it into an Excel file. And it's a big Excel file. 64,000 records, lots of variables. For the lab, I only want to work with Wisconsin, males, 2017. I'm going to do a filter to get rid of those. Turn the filter on. I've already looked up state FIPS codes. And it's 55 for Wisconsin. I only have Wisconsin. I only want the 2017 data. And I only want males. And I've looked in the metadata, so I know that that's 1. But as we saw in the other example, the records that are hidden are still here. So if I really want to get rid of them, I'm going to create a completely new workbook, go over to where I'm doing my filtering. Now copy this entire sheet to the new file. This actually gets rid of the records. I've gone from 64,000 records, 288 records. I'm going to go back to the original data. I'm going to close the file. So I don't want to mess up my original data. So no, don't save my changes. And I got some stuff on the clipboard. I don't want that. Now I've got the data that I can work with. I can save it with an appropriate name, and I can do the rest of the lab.